about you. Get it all the way and spread up. Is there ice in there? It's fine. It needs to be in the freezer. Put it back where it belongs. Get in there. Curl your head under. No, put your ass. Your ass isn't against it. Fold your legs need to be against it. Wait.
Alicia, I don't think it's physically big enough for her.
It's so physically big enough. She's tiny.
Hold it. She's handing you ice trays.
Give me your other ice cube tray. Wait. They're full of ice. I filled them. Why would you fill them before climbing in? I didn't know. Okay, Corey. Sweetie, look at me. Look at me.
I didn't know I'd be climbing in the freezer later.
Oh, am I? Okay. I need you to move your ass right here. Move your ass to the far corner. No, wait, I'm sorry. Move your ass to the other far corner. Because you're going to flatten out. Ass. No, ass. Get your body, get your upper body out. Get your upper body out. Put your arms on my shoulder.
She said, I don't have enough room.
Oh, there's popcorn chicken in there. That's why you don't fit.
My toes hurt.
Put your ass in the far corner. There's pizza in here. Come here, sweetie.
I'm waiting for
Ass
you.
in the far right corner.
I'm waiting for you to pull out like a whole 5-course dinner out of
No,
there.
ass in the far right, sweetie. Far left. Okay, I'm sorry. Your left.
Okay, but my shin won't let that happen.
No, you need to get, this ass needs to be in this corner.
That corner.
That corner, because you're going to just shift you. That corner is what I've been saying.
I didn't understand. Okay.
Oh, it's so dark in here.
Put your knees up. Both knees. Keep them together. They're a fucking pair. It's me and Amanda. Never separate. All right. No, legs, your knees need to be shooting out that way. I mean your legs. Your toes.
They won't fit.
Yeah, they will. Everyone can flatten their feet. What are you, not a penguin? Okay.
No, I'm not. It doesn't work.
Fold your body in half.
Just put your hand in this. You want out. Let's see if you in the fridge.
I want to get out.
Give me your arms.
I don't know if I can do
Give me
this.
your arms. Give me your other arm.
Amanda, help.
No, you don't. Ow, you spit in my face, but I'm going to let it slide.
Can you get it?
I'm sorry.
How did you get up here? I'm going to get you out. I'm just going to drag you.
Hang
I'm
on.
just going to drag you. Stick a foot out. Stick a leg out. I know you can stretch a leg. I got you like this. Okay, you got it.
What the fuck did we just do?
I put you in the fridge. Freezer. You put her in the freezer.
I can fit in the fridge.
I bet you could. You hit me really hard with your shoulder. I wouldn't be surprised.